I have cracked a simple free traffic method that turns tweets into real money with affiliate marketing. No followers, no problem, because this works even if you are starting from zero. In this video, I'll show you the exact strategy to promote affiliate links on X the right way without getting banned or suspended. Watch till the end because this free method could be your first and easy way to start making money online with affiliate marketing. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll share with you guys the method that you can use to promote affiliate links on X, okay? So first, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and as you can see over here, just in the last 7 days, I made $6,597 in affiliate marketing using free traffic, like I said, from different social media platforms. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using X, you guys need to go step number one. Go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link and you need to sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this. Go to company and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever because they are really paying high commissions. So if you want to create your affiliate account, you just need to come to this page here and click on join now. Okay, click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. As you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. And you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no and choose your country. You can choose your country from here. Your location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from any country, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, any country. Just search for your country from here and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You will answer next few questions and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard and you should see here commissions, clicks, CTR and so on. What you need to do next is you need to open an X account, okay, Twitter, okay. So go back to Google and just search for, you can search for Twitter or X, it's the same, they changed the name and now it's X, okay. Search for this and click on the first link, sign up using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. What you will do next, you will come here to the search and we will use X search bar to see which services people are searching for. So you will search for I need editor, search for I need editor and scroll down and you will find a lot of people searching for video editor. You guys can see that, like this one just posted this tweet today, I need a highlighting editor, searching for video editor. If we scroll down, I need a video editor so bad, okay, but stay out of my comments. This one also search for video editor, just posted this tweet today. You see this, I need a video editor to edit my travel vlog. Here is another person, they are searching for video editors. So those people from X Twitter, those are your potential clients, okay, they search for video editor and this is the exact service that we will promote. We will promote video editing service on X, okay. So what we will do next, we will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for video editing, okay, search for video editing, this service, okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Like I said in my if you watched my last videos, I always focus on level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Sometimes you can use level 1 sellers, but they should have a lot of reviews. But it's better to use level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. And top rated sellers, those sellers will be good sellers for you. So for example, let's pick one seller from here. You see, we have this one, top rated seller. I will do professional video editing for you, for YouTube, Facebook. This one can edit any videos. We have also this one. I will do YouTube video editing or any video editing. I will do professional. You have a lot of sellers here who provide this service. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. This one is top rated seller. Why we So why we need to choose good sellers? Because the people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. They will check if those sellers are good sellers or not. If they check the profile, they should see that those sellers are good sellers. They have a lot of reviews. This one has 13 orders in queue, which is really good. People keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing good service for his customers, which is really good. That's why they keep buying, they keep coming back to buy more video editing services. Okay, and you should know that this service is evergreen service, meaning that people will keep buying this service again and again. And for you, it's a profitable because you will keep making commissions from every transaction those people will make on Fiverr. Okay, which is really good. So what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller like this, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and just click over here on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on X. Okay, so let's go to X, Twitter. Go back. So what we need to do next, we will pick, for example, one of those people here who search for video editor. Okay, I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. I need a video editor so bad. Like this one is searching for video editor. He need video editor. This one is my potential client. I will click here on a reply, and I will send a professional reply with my affiliate link to this person. Okay, so how we can create a professional message that you can send to this one. So what I will do, I will use ChatGPT. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT, and ask him create a professional message that I can send to people on X, Twitter, okay, who search for video editor to buy my video editing service from my website. Okay, and here you go. You will just click here and you will get a professional message that you guys can use to send to those people who search for video editors on X or Twitter. You see, and here you go. I saw you are looking for a video editor. I offer high quality video editing service to your needs, whether it's YouTube video, ads, or social media content. You can check out my work and place an order directly on my website. You can check out my work on my website. You will remove this order directly because X or Twitter, they don't like this. Okay, so what you will do, I'll show you guys. You will copy this message. I will go back to X, Twitter. I will put this message here. I will delete this part. And here you need to put your affiliate link. So first, let me show you. I will remove this. you can check out my work on my website here, okay? And I will, so you can edit the message, you can make it like this, and that's it. And what you will do next, you need to put your affiliate link here. So it's better to use a landing page or an affiliate website or a blog that you can use to start promoting services on X or Twitter to start getting commissions. If you start putting affiliate links directly, they don't like this, and they can get your account can get banned, and you will not make commissions like this. It's better to use landing page or an affiliate website or a blog, okay? And what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. And for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA, this one, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for over 5 years, like I said in the beginning, and I'm making over $15,000 every single month. Also, guys, I do have an affiliate marketing course, and for people who are interested, who want to take this business seriously, I want to personally invite you guys to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Quora, and more. And you can feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Okay, so let's finish the video first. Let me show you guys how you can copy your affiliate link. So what you will do, like I said, for you should see this Fiverr Marketplace new plan. This is your affiliate link. So just copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, this affiliate link is too much long, so I like to make my affiliate links short links so they look professional and clear and good. Okay, so you guys can use this website, it's for free. And here you go, this website will make your affiliate link short link. I will go back to X or Twitter. I will put my affiliate link here, and here you go, I will click here on reply. Okay, and my reply will be sent to this person who searched for video editor. You guys can see, I saw you are looking for a video editor. I offer high quality video editing services to your needs, whether it's YouTube videos, ads, or social media content. You can check out my work on my website here. And you will put, for you will put a blog, or you will use a landing page, or you will use an affiliate website. You have millions of potential clients on X, Twitter, that you can reach out to and start promoting those services on X and make a lot of commissions using free traffic. So if this person is interested in still searching for video editor, if he click on my affiliate link, for example, like this, he will be directly in the seller profile page. If he click on a request to order and buy this service from my affiliate link, I will earn commissions. That's exactly how this business works, and that's how we can make money and how we can promote affiliate links on X, Twitter. You have it limited. You guys can see, if we scroll, I need a video editor. Hey guys, I need a video editor on my team. Looking for someone young and just starting out in the industry. I need a video editor. You have a lot of people here searching for video editors. I am in need of an experienced editor. You see, you have your potential clients. Your clients are already here on X. You just need to do good marketing to promote those services, and that's it. You can even create a page on X, okay, and make a good logo and start using your page and reach out to those people and ask them to check out your page on X. And inside your page you will put all the services that you are promoting, okay, that people are already, of course, searching for on X. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.